Rwanda just made history. The East African country launched Africa's first self-flying electric air taxi. This pilotless aircraft represents technological advancement and the ambition of a whole generation. Rwanda's aviation innovation isn't new. In 2016, the country achieved a world first with medical delivery drones, transporting blood and vaccines to remote areas. These electric air taxis are sustainable, low energy, quiet, and aligned with Rwanda's carbon-neutral goals. For a continent with limited infrastructure, this represents tremendous opportunity for Africa's youth. Rwandan authorities encourage young people to design and develop aviation tech. The country is considered one of the most innovative in the world, drawing foreign businesses to develop and test new ideas. This method has elevated Kigali's status globally. Becoming host to Africa's first public electric air taxi flight showcases prestige, proving Africa can be at the forefront of cutting-edge industries. In a continent with gaps in healthcare, education, and economic opportunity, autonomous electric aviation represents leapfrog development, a glimpse of Africa's high-tech future. For Africa's Gen Z, the world's largest youth population, this project is more than just cool tech. It's proof that innovation doesn't need Silicon Valley, Beijing, or Berlin. It can come from Kigali. Rwandan youth involvement in programming and development ensures the next generation isn't locked out of tomorrow's industries. Instead, they're positioned as co-creators ready to export ideas. If one small landlocked country can make electric air taxis fly, what's to stop the rest of Africa's innovators from achieving more? This is just the beginning of Africa's technological revolution. The future of innovation is being written in Africa, and it's taking flight right now. The question isn't if Africa will lead the future, it's how soon the world will follow.